Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install and configure Supermicro IPMIView on Windows. First, you need to download and install IPMIView for Windows. Now, open IPMIView. Go to File, New, System. Next, add a system name and the IP address for the server and click OK. Then, you will see your setup name in the IPMI domain. Double-click on your setup name. A login screen will appear and you need to fill in the credentials. Continue to click on Login. You can see the connected status and you can see the following toolbar. This toolbar contains function tabs to allow you to execute commands quickly. The tabs allow you to access the following submenus: Login, Event Log, Sensors, IPMI Device, BMC Setting, Users, Text Console, KVM Console, Virtual Media.